G'day ladies and gents, I'm going to turn this old barn lean-to into a temporary spray booth. I have a couple of old cars that need to be painted over the next couple of months, and this is the best location I have got. Firstly, I've mixed a cup of water-based PVA glue or Bondcrete with about half a gallon of water. I use this solution to lock all the fine dust particles into the ground. Once that's dry, I put down a ground sheet followed by large tarpaulin for a temporary floor. Ideally, I should have put plywood down as the tarpaulin sticks to your boot as you're walking around the vehicle and makes it difficult to keep your balance whilst spray painting. I then use an old length of 2x4 as a floor plate, and then more old pieces of 2x4 to create a basic stud frame to affix my liner to. I'm using rolls of building wrap to line the inside of the spray booth. I chose building wrap purely because I had some on hand, but also because it's somewhat reinforced and is better against the wind and elements than other plastics. And the building wrap is simply stapled in place with either a hand or an air operated staple gun. The wrap is overlapped so that if rain hits the outside, it runs outwards and not into the spray booth. I make sure to have lots of overlap at the bottom so that there's less chance of dust migrating up into the spray booth also. I then simply use masking tape to tape off all of the overlaps. And then finally hang a drop sheet in the doorway so that I can still get a vehicle in and out. The first victim is this Austin Healey Sprite, which is a race car that a friend of mine owns. The end result was well worth the effort, and the fact that the spray booth only cost about $150 to build just made it all the more special for us. This is 4 coats of single stage Sherwin-Williams, I believe, paint product, and the colour is Corvette yellow. Thanks for watching. The next vehicle in the booth will be a 521 Datsun pickup.